General Science MCQ questions and answer which are essential for all kind of examination.
Subscribe our channel GK by Afsara and press the bell button to watch all our general knowledge videos.
Which of the following is the first calculating device? Answer option A, abacus. The pH value of human blood is? Answer option C, 7.4. The study of flower is known as? Answer option B, anthology. Who invented mechanical calculator called Pascaline? Answer option B, Blaise Pascal. Who among the following considered as the father of artificial intelligence? Answer option C, John McCarthy. Which was the world's first successful electronic computer? Answer option D, ENIAC electronic numerical integrated and computer. Who among the following used the term computer worm for the first time? Answer option A, John Brunner. Hemoglobin is a? Answer option A, protein. The vitamin that is most rapidly manufactured in our body is? Answer option D, vitamin D. Accumulation of which one of the following in our muscle leads to fatigue? Answer option A, lactic acid. The escape velocity of the earth is? Answer option B, 11.2 km per second. Which one of the following method is used to separate water from alcohol water mixture? Answer option D, distillation. The number of chambers in a human heart is? Answer option B, 4. Which one of the following metal is used with iron to make it rust-free? Answer option C, chromium. Athlete's foot is a disease caused by? Answer option B, fungus. In eye donation, which part of the donor's eye is utilized? Answer option D, cornea. The major component of honey is? Answer option C, fructose. The velocity of sound is minimum in? Answer option A, vacuum. How many bones are present in human ears? Answer option C, 6. Satellite is kept moving in its orbit around the Earth due to its? Answer option B, centripetal force. The time period of a pendulum? Answer option A, depends on its length. In case of rusting, the weight of iron will be? Answer option A, increase. My Meibomian gland is located in? Answer option D, eye. The weight of our body is mostly made of? Answer option C, from water. Which one of the following organ is affected by malaria? Answer option D, spleen. Which of the following substance is used for artificial rain? Answer option C, silver iodide. Which one of the following gas is known as noble gas? Answer option C, helium. Which one of the following device is used for detecting lie? Answer option A, polygraph. ELISA test is performed to test? Answer option C, AIDS. A man who doesn't know when to stop eating is suffering from? Answer option A, bulimia. Which of the following device is used for converting alternative current into direct current? Answer option D, rectifier. Octane number is used for measuring the quality of? Answer option B, petrol. The chemical name of baking soda is? Answer option C, sodium bicarbonate. The sky appears blue due to its? Answer option A, scattering of light. Which one of the following is not a plant product? Answer option D, saccharin. Arthritis is caused by the disposition of which one of the following in the joints of our body? Answer option B, uric acid. The chemical name of limestone is. Answer option A, calcium carbonate. Bronze is an alloy of. Answer option D, copper and tin. Which of the following vitamins are water soluble? Answer option B, vitamin B and vitamin C. The age of a tree is determined by its. Answer option C, growth rings. The density of milk can be measured by. Answer option B, lactometer. In automobiles, hydraulic brake is work on. Answer option A, Pascal's law. The main components of liquid petroleum gas LPG are. Answer option C, ethane, propane and butane. Lack of which of the following substance in our body causes diabetes? Answer option A, insulin. The number of RCB count in an adult male is. Answer option B, 5 million. 1 barrel of oil is equal to which one of the following? Answer option B, 159 liters. Humans can't digest grass like cows because of the presence of. Answer option D, cellulose in grass. Which of the following device uses ultrasonic waves for getting images of internal organs of human body? Answer option A, ultrasound scanner. Which of the following determines the loudness or softness of the sound? Answer option C, amplitude. Which of the following pollutants is the major contributor to the photochemical smog? Answer option C, ozone. Hemoglobin is the protein inside red blood cells that carries. Answer option A, oxygen. Which among the following diseases is very rare in women as compared to its occurrence in men? Answer option D, color blindness. Which of the following is to found in nail polish remover? Answer option A, acetone. A gas thermometer is more sensitive than a liquid thermometer because. Answer option B, it expands more than a liquid. In the atmosphere, ultraviolet rays are observed by. Answer option C, ozone. Who is known as the father of immunology? Answer option D, Edward Jenner. Velocity of light is maximum in which of the following? Answer option C, vacuum. The presence if which of the following prevents a coagulation of blood inside the human body? Answer option C, heparin. Acid rain is caused by the pollution of the environment by. Answer option D, nitrogen oxide and sulfur dioxide. Which one of the following element is used in solar cells? Answer option A, silicon. Which one of the following is an example of natural acid-base indicator? Answer option C, turmeric. Which of the following is a female sex hormone? Answer option B, estrogen. Golden rice is a rich source of. Answer option A, vitamin A. Which one of the following metal is called the metal of future? Answer option D, titanium. Which is the hardest in the following? Answer option A, diamond. What is the normal blood pressure of human? Answer option A, 120/80th millimeter of mercury. When water is heated from 0 degree to 10 degree Celsius, its volume will be. Answer option D, first decreases then increases. The study of bones are under which branch of science? Answer option A, osteology. What is the full form of sonar? Answer option C, sound navigation and ranging. A liquid consisting of 5 to 30% acetic acid is known as. Answer option D, vinegar. NACO is an organization dealing with. Answer option C, AIDS. Which of the following gases is used for extinguishing fire? Answer option B, carbon dioxide. Mycology is the branch of botany in which we study. Answer option A, fungi. Which of the following blood group has no antigens? Answer option D, O. Anthophobia is fear of the following. Answer option C, flowers. To the person with the color blindness, red color will appear. Answer option B, green. Inactive chemical to remove mosquitoes is. Answer option A, elathrins. Which of the following scientists discovered polio vaccine? Answer option D, John Salk. Where is the pineal gland is situated? Answer option B, brain. In an earthen pitcher, the water remains cold due to the process of. Answer option C, evaporation. An astronaut sees the color of the sky as. Answer option D, black. Brass gets a fat color in air due to the presence of. Answer option B, hydrogen sulfide. Which of the following acid do not contain oxygen? Answer option C, hydrochloric acid. What is hydroponics? Answer option A, plants without soil enrichment. Which of the following is used to remove rust stains on clothes? Answer option C, oxalic acid solution. Spherical form of raindrops is due to. Answer option B, surface tension. The principle of fuse is. Answer option C, heating effect of electricity. Cinnabar is an ore mineral of. Answer option D, mercury. A pungent smell is often present near the urinals is due to. Answer option C, ammonia. The energy of wind is. Answer option B, only kinetic. Penicillin is obtained from. Answer option C, fungus. Bauxite is the ore of. Answer option A, aluminium. Brass is an alloy of. Answer option C, copper and zinc. The safest temperature for keeping food fresh in a refrigerator is. Answer option B, 4 degree. The chemical component that is invariably found in all viruses is. Answer option A, protein. Why is carbon monoxide a pollutant? Answer option C, it reacts with hemoglobin. Blood enter the kidney through the. Answer option A, renal artery. Who measured the velocity of light first? Answer option D, Romer. Which of the following forces combine together to keep planets in their respective orbits? Answer option A, gravitation and centripetal. Meghnad Saha is known for his contribution in which of the following fields? Answer option B, physics. The chemical composition of cement is. Answer option A, limestone, clay and gypsum. The pituitary gland is located in. Answer option C, brain. The latex of which plant is used commercially? Answer option C, rubber plant. Who invented dynamo? Answer option A, Michael Faraday. Which of the following is a good source of vitamin A? Answer option A, fish oil. Limestone is a raw material used by which of the following industry? Answer option C, cement. Which of the following is the highest quality of hard coal? Answer option A, anthracite. Which of the following is an emergency hormone in human? Answer option C, adrenaline. Which of the following term is not associated with sound wave? Answer option C, candela. Who among the following invented laser? Answer option B, Theodore Mammon. The color of liquefied oxygen is. Answer option D, pale blue. Phenol is used in the manufacture of which one of the following? Answer option D, bakelite. Dash constitute the core of the earth. Answer option A, iron and nickel. Name the heaviest metal found in the earth. Answer option B, osmium. The gas which smells like rotten egg is. Answer option D, hydrogen sulfide. Which among the following is the best conductor of electricity? Answer option C, silver. Which of the following cell disorder is responsible for color blindness? Answer option B, cone cell. Which one of the following organ is not a part of the immune system? Answer option C, brain. Which of the following disease is caused due to the deficiency of protein? Answer option B, kwashiorkor. Air has maximum proportion of which inert gas? Answer option C, argon. Thank you for watching this video. If this video is helpful for you, then please give a like in this video and share this video to all your friends, students and kids. And also don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel GK by Afsara.